So I ventured out and purchased the Keurig coffee maker. I never thought I needed one or wanted one, but I got one. The 8-ounce is a little too strong for me, so I'm going to try the 12-ounce. So far, so good. It works. Does what it says it's going to do. I purchased the tray, the Keurig tray as well. It holds 35 pods. Easy open, easy close, lift and close. You can slide it out with the pull, the handle underneath, and slide it back if you need to clean behind it or remove the reservoir. So thank you, Keurig. Thank you, Amazon. Great purchase. My Valentine's Day gift to myself.
Well, here I am with my new Keurig coffee brewer. It looks good, sleek, stylish, very simple to use. Simply place your K-cup in here, pull down on the handle, choose your coffee size, and then press the center K to brew. Look at that. Does all that and looks good doing it. My only drawback with this machine is it just has less water capacity than the other Keurig that I had, but hey, small thing, no big deal, but I'm really happy with this machine. And it looks great.
So today I'm sharing our favorite coffee machine, this white Keurig here. We've had it for about 2.5 years. It's so easy to clean, so easy to use. You've got the water in the back. You have an easy access here. We go ahead and use the reusable K-cups just so we could use the coffee that we like, but super simple. You get to pick if you want the 12-ounce, 10-ounce, or 8-ounce. Just really simple, really easy to use, and takes up very little space. Highly recommend.
I got this coffee maker about a month ago or so for work, and I'm actually buying another one for my house. So it's fantastic. You take this off if you have a large cup. So easy to clean. Hope you enjoy it.
I don't need a ring and my girls don't need a thing, cause I've been through hell and bad, listen to the fire sing.